Brixton, and I love you, and super solar Sean. Oh, hi Sean, si Sean. Ellen Haryong, hello. Ayura, Zara 1, hi Zara, how are your bags? Sharon and Slinky, hello. Beyosh, hi, in Hawaii. And Jen S. Charlotte, hi. Krisha Christian, hi. Jun Lalin, Jun watching. And they love Carla, hi, I miss you too. Savannah, hi. I love bags 888, hello. I love bags too. Karen Morales, hello. Hi Jot. Oo nga, sabi Christian kanina pumunta ako, hindi ko alam ba hindi ko alam. Paano? Talaga, Sol? Kasi Batangas kami, todo. Minsan isang araw, 3 yung dramatic highlights ko. Kaya siguro nung kain mo, burn mo talaga yung calories. Thank you. Kirara K, hello. Abaheto, Alan Joy, happy birthday sa October 2 to you. And Mel CD Osborne from Sydney. Oh my God, nakakamiss ng Sydney, nakakamiss ng Hawaii, nakakamiss yung nasa abroad ka kasi you see your life here from a different perspective. So mas nasasabi kang umuwi para mag-work tsaka makita yung mga friends mo. YBTH, is that Ibeth? Hello there. And Tita Hanaraha, PML Hernandez, hi there, love you too. Snowy, hi Snowy, I love you too. I love you, hello Snowy. Nieng Camps, hello, thank you. Oo nga, ulat nga ako, ngayon ko lang nakita ang mukha kong ganito, hindi kasi ako nanonood nung tinake na namin. Thank you. Janice Julia Charmy, I love you too. Your fave Jack, hi there. Hi. Si JX Shamri, my shiny daughter, hi baby, hi Jess. And Marky, hello. Apollonia, hello. They love Carla again. Nasa Bahrain naman si Pam. Hi Pam, thank you for watching. Sharon in New York, I love you Sharon. I hope I see you next time. Miss Ronaldin, hello. Errol Galem, hello. Sa Canada, hello. Naku, pupunta kami dyan. Pakitignan lang po sa Instagram ko at sa Facebook, Sharon Cuneta official ko yung schedule ng Dear Heart Tour, America and Canada. Thank you so much, Shy Cakes. It's May D. Thank you so much. The official coffee lover, ingat din po kayo. Naku, makape rin po ako. Jen S. Lea Marie, hello. I miss you too. Marian Gabia, thank you so much, Marian. Rodney Bantog, how are you, Rodney? Jonah Dayday, hello. Hi, Jonah. Jonah! Is this our Jonah? I miss you. Oo nga, wala siya sa taping daw. Are you with Julia Jones? I miss you, Jonah. Si Yawi Jeka. Hello, Yawi. Or Shawi rin yan. Jovi the singer. Hello sa In Life si Jovi. Hello, In Life family. John Frederick Robledo. Hello. Hello, Peachy. Oo, naalala ko yung binati ko. I need to see you talaga also. Peek at me, hello. And Nethco Gabinete, hello. RC Witch, hello. Oh, you're in Dublin. Oh my God, once lang ako nagpuntang Ireland. Nag-show kami dyan with Derek. Derek, many years ago. Julia Charmy, Bovic Galasio, thank you so much. Janice Lea Marie, 26. Leah, hello to you. Sharonians, Chloe TMU, Janice Gel, hello. Gabadan Nancy, hello there, Nancy. Chona Venus. Faye Carlos, hello. Japan, hello. Marie Kita, who is in Japan. Genki desu ka? I miss Japan very much. Kyotsukete kudasai. Love you, Snowy, thank you. Ina Hanika Nicole, hello there. Oh, you're gonna do great on your exam tomorrow. Just keep praying. Tomorrow up to Friday, okay, just keep praying and focus. Don't stay up too late kasi kahit anong memorization mo, pag memorize mo sa gabi, sa umaga, bubura. Well, ganun ako noon. Ray Amps, hello sa New Zealand, Ray. Natutuwa ko kasi nakikita ko na nakasalamin ako. Nakikita ko, gusto ko unahin itong mga pa-shoutout nyo. Janice Gel, cute naman, kinikilig ka. Ang Wally, hello sa inyo sa Sydney, Wally. Crafty Ajuma, Hello to your daughter, Achuma. And hello, it's Bree. Shoni Toya in Japan. Hello, Curly Ezzy sa Malaysia naman. Oh, Jot, you're in Paris, Andaya. I love you, Jess. JX Shamri, I love you, anak. Mamaya, sabihin ko sa yung favorites ko. I love you all 13. Hello, naku, nakakatuwa ang Japan. Ang dami yung nandito from and I miss you too. Elipot. Elipot! Hello, Pot. Hello, Kirara K again, the real says V. Hello, thank you so much. Joy Lads, hello sa inyo. Tintong, cute naman. Thank you so much. And Shoni Toya ha in Japan, hello to you, shout out. And 87 Yani, hi there. Hello Yani. Versky, hello, simpatikong Promdi. Hello sa inyo sa Toronto. Ang cute naman ng handle mo, simpatikong Promdi. Totoo naman, simpatikong mga Promdi. Ayan, gusto kong sa Promdi mag-retire. Latotsky, hello, salamat ng marami. Chloe TMU, love you too. And Shawi Jeka, shout out. Toshi, hello, how are you? Anirak, Karina, hello. Tolentino, tiga Pasay. Mabuhay ang Pasay. GV Kataylogat, hello. Oh, you're in Australia. You know what? She is hope. Okay, sending love from down under. Hope there will be a Dear Heart concert in Australia. I think they are presently negotiating with producers in Australia. So, I still, of course, cannot confirm kung matutuloy hindi, but I know there are negotiations going on. Kung di ako nagkakamali, meron din sa Middle East, pero hindi ako talaga sure about Australia and Middle East. Now we have to wait for the confirmation. So I hope na makita tayo dyan. And Chona Venus, are you from, is that Batangas? Hello to you. Janet Guting Torres. And Joanne Caparaz is in the Gold Coast in Australia. You're 2 hours ahead, right? I'm not, Sydney's 2 hours ahead. Some parts are the same time. Some parts are 1 hour ahead. Are you the same time as Sydney? I'm not sure. Melbourne's different, but I think so. I'm not sure. And hello to Chuva B. Nasa Abu Dhabi siya. Chuva, kumusta sa inyong lahat dyan? And si Estong P. Hello sa'yo sa Dubai. And si simpatikong Promdi talaga natutuwa ako. Pupunta kami sa malapit sa Toronto. I hope that you can watch us. Just check out the schedule sa sa Instagram ko, really Sharon Cuneta, or Sharon Cuneta Official on Facebook. Okay, it's me, Shally. See, love you. Yan, si Jovi the singer, shout out to you. Ali Thea 22, silang Cavite. Nako, kapitbahay na kita soon. Okay. And again, I want to say good luck. I want to say God bless you on your exams. Ina Hanika Nicole. Okay, God bless and I love you. Alright, I am Marcos. Hello, Kuala Lumpur. I have never been to Malaysia. I hope to visit Kuala Lumpur one day soon. There, Marcos. And Shy Mom sa Palawan. Hello. Love na love namin din yung Palawan. Tiga Lucena naman, si Heidi Villarreal. Hello there, Heidi. And hello, Inapo Pichi. At Inapo Pichi, ang mami ni John Frederick Robledo. Hello sa inyo. And Jinra29, hello to you. And Miss Sexylicious, thank you so much. Nasa Dubai siya. Thank you so much. And si Chloe TMU. Oo, naku, dapat pasado lahat, ha. Reminder lang to all of you that are going to take an exam soon, and what you do today, especially on your exam days, will affect the future, your future. So take advantage of this opportunity and prepare well for your exams, okay? And yeah, yan ang silang. And Sharonian Jen TMU, I love you too. Nika TMU, I love you. Nakapag-live na rin. And Jean and Nika, hello to you guys. Hi there. Thank you for watching. And Cecil, DMCI Homes, hello Cecil. Ay, natutuwa ako. Ang dami ko nabate. Anyway, how are you guys? Nagulat ako. Sinasabi niya pumayat ako. Hindi na naman ako aware. Anyway, si Nelson, yung driver ko ngayon lang sinabi sa akin, mag-agree. Talaga? Talaga ba? Talaga, no? Ano yan? Trabaho po. Buti na rin ganyan. Pumapayat na lang tatrabaho, huwag na makakalimot kumain. Parang kumain ako minsan parang ibon. So, ganyan, di ko... Sabi ni Yaya, gano'ng karaming rice ko? Yeah? Gano'ng karaming rice ko binibigay mo na hindi ko naubos? 3/4. Ha? 3/4? Sabi mo 1/3. 1/3 cup lang yung rice ko. Hindi ko pa nauubos. Parang, Yaya, ang konti naman. Ma'am, sinusukat ko yung rice pag di ko inuubos. Sinusukat niya, ang ilang bang binigay ko? 1/3 cup na lang, hindi ko pa nauubos. Maulam ako, hindi ako makanin. Pero gusto ko ng sandwich, gusto kong tinapay. Anyway, I hope you're all doing well. I just really wanted to say hello and to do a live kasi tagal na natin di nakikita. By the way, yung mga nanood po ng vlog ko sa YouTube na kami ni Kikoy nagtanim, sabihin ko sana nag-ani na po kami ng okra, tumubo na sila sa balcony namin sa condo. Kaya naku, panoorin nyo po kung di nyo pa napanood sa YouTube yung Magtanim ID Biro, yung kami pong mag-asawa, magkasama, because we really did that vlog to hopefully to help everybody. Hindi naman kailangan na kumbaga, if it's just a hobby or kung makakatulong sa budget ninyo, if you can grow food already, kung saan man kayo, patunay po niyan, hindi kailangan ng backyard. Kami nga, konting balkonahe sa namin, kahit mataas ang floor, tumutubo siya. Yun yung fresh ng okra namin, walang gamot, walang chemical. So, I hope you watch the vlog and try it out. Yung basic vegetables lang natin na laging ginagamit natin mga Pinoy, diba? And let me know, you can post pictures there sa comments. Diba pwede yon? You can post pictures dun sa comment section nung particular vlog na yon, yung nagtatanim kami ni Kiko. Please let us know kung nagawa ninyo, kung nakatulong kami. We'd love to see your comments and your pictures there na mga tinanim nyo. We hope to do more of that. If you want, please comment also on the vlog para gagawa pa po kami. Tsaka, marami pa po kaming vlogs. Yung pong buong Saving Grace na taping experience ko, binavlog po namin, pero hindi pa po pwede ilabas. But, it won't be long now. You're going to see not just the vlog, but you're going to be able to see the teleserye. Just wait for the official announcement from ABS-CBN. Clue, we are streaming first on a streaming service. So, pwedeng Netflix, pwedeng Amazon Prime, yung mga ganyan pong aabangan ninyo. Anyway, madali lang po yan. So, anytime on demand, mapapanood nyo. I know it's gonna stream very soon. And, yung mga hindi pa po nakakaalam, please check the schedule of the Dear Heart concerts in the United States and Canada. This, I'm leaving, October, diba? Yes, yeah. And October and November. So, the whole schedule will be on Sharon Cuneta Official on Facebook and at Really Sharon Cuneta on IG. I just really wanted to say hello. Baka po nababother na yung driver ko sa ilaw na to, so papatayin ko na po siya. I love you guys. God bless you everyone. I'll check in with you again very soon. I love you. Thank you for watching. Bye!